Hey everyone, it's time for another devblog for Nightbear, and a lot has happened in the last day. The most important, noticeable thing that has happened is we now have animations for the bear, and they look pretty great. We also made some tweaks to the music, and now saves your place when you go from one track to another, and then come back to the first one, which you'll be able to see in the exploration. So right now we got the exploration music playing here. It's this one here. And so when we get into combat and then get back out of combat, this music will remember its place. But in the meantime, check out these animations. The bear walks. The bear sort of moves when he's idle. He runs. He swings his sword. And he jumps. And these are all Derek's doing, and yeah, they look pretty great. Let's come up here. And this is our combat music, so we'll just run around here for a minute. By the way, the targeting reticles there have also gotten a significant upgrade from what they were a minute ago. Kill these. That one seems to be stuck, so I should be able to run away, and then now I'm back into exploration, and the music picks up where it left off. So, yeah, so those things are the main things that have changed, and I think with the bear animations existing now, hello. Probably shouldn't have happened. Oh. So I think this is now good enough to call an alpha. So yeah, I will be doing that, and I'm maybe posting a build to this. If I do find a good place to post a build, then I will post a link in the description below. Otherwise, I decided not to. Thanks for checking it out, and I will see you all next time.